Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight for dinner I'll be making a curry shrimp and chicken wrap. I have been enjoying my wraps. First I made the fish wrap, I made a pork wrap which was really good. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to film that, how to make a pork wrap. And I have made the shrimp and bacon wrap this morning. It was really good as well. And all these wraps are good for the keto diet. The wrap itself is low carb wrap, which is perfect for keto. And now I'm gonna make this bacon and chicken curry wrap. So if you want to know how to do this weight loss wrap, stick with me, watch to the end of the video, and give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna tell you what I'll be using to make my chicken and shrimp wrap. Of course, I've already seasoned my chicken and shrimp right here. I'm gonna use this curry powder, and this is what I'm gonna use to grease my pan to saute my vegetables, as you see them right here. And right here I have my garlic, I have my onion chopped, I have my tomato, I have my scallion and thyme. Over here I have some sweet pepper, here I have some lettuce, and here I have some shredded carrots. Okay, and here is the wrap that I am using, okay, for my wrap. It's really nice with the garlic flavor. Okay, so I have 2 pots on the stove right now. So this is the pot that I'll be using to cook my chicken and shrimp in, and this is the pot that I'm gonna be using to heat my wrap. Okay, alrighty, so let's get into this video. So guys, I'm gonna spray some of this canola oil in the pot just to grease the pot a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to my pot. Okay, and of course I am going to start putting in my vegetables so that they can be sauteed. Okay, putting my onion and scallion in the pot, saute all of these together. Put a little bit of this in there to saute, and my carrots. Don't want it to burn too much, so I'm gonna add in my shrimp and my chicken. Let that cook up a little, you know. So let us check on our chicken and shrimp. Cook it nicely, guys. I am going to add some cayenne pepper because I like spice, you know. So I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper to this. That's about it. And I am also gonna add some water to my shrimp and chicken, and just have this cook up a little. And guys, chicken breast and shrimp, it's not hard to cook. They don't need to have it cooking for really long hours. Okay, so guys, now let me check on this, and it's cooking up really nicely. So now I am going to add some coconut milk, the good old Grace coconut milk. Of course, if you have your natural coconut, I prefer natural coconut milk, but this is what I have now, and I can't obviously go and grate any coconut right now, or blend coconut right now. So I am just using the packed coconut milk in this, and I can assure you this is getting more yummy by the minute. Okay? And you just, let me turn on the stove a little and just have this simmer down, and it's soon ready for our tacos or wraps. Okay? Okay guys, so let's check on this, and we are done. And I haven't made this with a lot of gravy because I'm making a wrap. If I was like with rice or something, then I would have left more gravy in it, but I don't really want a lot of gravy because I'm making my wrap. So this is complete, and now let me get this off and put it up here. Now I'm gonna put on this one just to heat my wraps. Okay, so I am making this wrap for my dinner, one for my dinner for now and one for tomorrow for my lunch. So just want to heat up the wrap, nothing too much because these are already pre-done, so I just wanted to heat it up a little bit. Right there. Just for a little few seconds, like 10-20 second stops, and then we can turn it. Okay, alright guys, so now we're gonna put the lettuce on here on our wrap, and then we're gonna add some of our chicken and shrimp on top. Let me get 2 pieces of the shrimp to add. Really yummy, yummy. And of course I'm gonna put a few more pieces of tomato in it, and there you have it. And see, it's complete. Yeah. So here you have it guys, my shrimp wrap, my finished meal. And then to top this off, I'm gonna top it off with some green juice.